Welcome back. I'm going to continue working on this floor plan from the previous video. This, is I don't know, drawing floor plans part 2. I'm going to try to make this one not quite as long as the last one. I know it's hard watching long videos, especially on instructional videos. But anyway, as I get going along and as I start figuring out what I'm actually planning here, I start to erase some of these lines that I have, and this is, of course, this isn't what you have to do. This is all just how you do it, or how I do it, and that's what I should say. But I erased that wall because I want that to be part of this bedroom here. I don't want to waste that space. It'll actually have a door that'll go right here. And I'm going to erase some of these other lines that are in the hallway. Okay, so that's all the lines representing the hallway. I can actually do the same thing down here, just to have more bedroom space down here as well, or not. I don't have to. That's just kind of what I'm seeing right now. And of course I need a passageway right here to get to those rooms, and also a passageway that provides a little privacy to the 2 rooms and the bathroom. So this will be the bathroom. Thinking of where the bathroom door might be. Maybe the door will be right over here. So I'll kind of put the passageway about right in here. And the passageway doesn't really have to be any particular size. You want to kind of keep it around the same size as your doors or larger. And it's just a passageway. It does not have any doors or anything like that on it. So I'm thinking, let's do about 36 inches or 3 feet to make that passageway. And then we'll remove those lines. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking so far, and considering my traffic pattern coming into here, the front door will probably be right in here somewhere, so one could come in and access both rooms, including the bathroom. So this bathroom would actually serve not just these 2 bedrooms, but also any guests that might visit here in the living area. So we always want to think about that. Okay, so this side is pretty much done, almost done. Now I want to start doing doors. Now I've got 2 door sizes I'm going to be working with. There is a code that governs the front door to the house, and the code says the front door there should be at least 1 door on the exterior of the house that is 32 inches wide. The code used to read 36 inches wide. I don't know why they changed it, but you'll still find that 36 inches is the best number to go with. Doors are, if you go to a store to buy a door frame, door kit, a door, and to put into your house, it's typically going to be 36 inches wide. So let's just stay with the industry standard, and that would be an industry standard, not necessarily a code, with a 36-inch wide front door. Okay, now with that part out of the way, getting to the interior doors, there really is no code that governs the size of those doors. And you want to think about your clients and what's going to make them most comfortable getting in and getting out of their rooms. And you want to think about, hey, these guys are going to want to move furniture in there. They're going to have to walk in and out of there. But you really don't want to make 36-inch doors all through your house, because that takes up a lot of space, because you end up having to make other things bigger to accommodate for the larger doors. But if you wanted to make them all 36 inches, you could. All right, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make mine 32. That's typically what I make my doors, is 32. So we have 24 inches between the 2-inch mark and that 0 mark right there. So that's 24 plus, that's 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches. So on my ruler, I'm going to position this to where I get 2 inches and then the additional 8 inches down here on my ruler end. Okay, so 24 and, well, actually I'm going to go 30. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 30 because 32 is kind of tight. So anyway, so I'm going to go 2 feet, 24 inches, and then, you know, counting the extra marks here to make 30, so that's going to be 6. So my 6-inch mark is right there, my 2 foot, and actually I want to move it just slightly over to the left just a little bit. Now drawing by hand, this gets kind of tight, as you can see there. Now when I place this door, let me go ahead and draw the lines that represent the doorway. When I place this door, I want to place it, I want to give myself at least 3 to 6 inches on the sides. And that 3 to 6 inches is for your door frame trim, which it will have. And also it allows for the opening of the door fully. So there is a 30-inch door. Now probably, because these are kids' rooms, I'm gonna do that. But when I get over here to like the adult rooms, I'm probably gonna make the doors a little bit bigger. I'll probably go up to 32 there, give them a couple of extra inches. And of course that I've done that, I can actually use that as a reference to get my other door at this end. Okay, so I've got both bedroom doors. Tidy it up there a little bit. No, I should not have drawn that line. There we go. Okay, so now I got both doors there. Now I'm gonna need a bathroom door. Same thing, I'm gonna go 32 or 30 inches. And I'm gonna put the door closer to this side, I believe. I might change that later. Okay, so line up my 2 foot mark. Okay, come down here to the inches and add 6. Make 32. Now again, I'm making sure I have, you know, 3 to 6 inches down here. And mark that door. Okay. All right, now this bathroom has got a closet that's sharing with this bedroom down here. So I'm going to put another door. Now closet doors are a little bit different because typically closet doors, you're not walking into them, but you are gonna reach into them. You're not gonna fit your whole body through. So I can go down to as low as 24 inches on closet doors. And I think for this bathroom closet, I am gonna do that, 24 inches. Now with positioning closet doors, I typically just kind of shoot for the center of the closet. Okay. And then on this closet door, this is going to be a bedroom closet door. I'm going to make it 28. So it's going to be 24 plus 4, kind of right in here. Probably not exactly, but for 1/4 inch scale, that is close enough. And then marking that door out. Okay, so I've got those doors for those closets. Okay, now that's taken care of. And let's see, I'm gonna have a closet door up here for this closet, and this one is going to be one of those like a telescopic type door. It's going to be two doors that are going to slide, you know, like so, and they'll kind of telescope into one another. And the way we represent that And it can be, there's various different sizes. We're going to do a 5-foot telescopic door, 0 to 5. And remember, this guy has a bigger closet over here. He just happens to be fortunate to have that. Okay, now I'm making this, fully creating this door. I'm going to have, I'm going to just do it like this. I'm going to extend one line here and one line here, both of these lines about halfway through. And of course, there was an easier way to do that. I just chose not to use that easy way. So 5 feet will be 2.5 center. So that's the center of those two doors. Okay, now you can kind of see what I'm getting at here with these telescopic doors. Kind of shade it in so I know that is a door. Okay, now as far as the thickness of the door, it really doesn't matter when you're hand drawing. Doors, typically 2 to 3 inches, sometimes maybe less. And but you don't have to worry about sizing that exactly. But this is how I would draw that telescopic door. So you can see one side slides over the top of the other one. This one will slide under the top of that one. Some of you may have doors like that in your own bedrooms. All right, now talking about regular doors and what we call door swings. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue that for the next video, okay? So we've got we got some doors going on here, and next I'll talk about door swings on the next video.